In this tutorial, you will learn how to calculate the sales value in Microsoft Excel. Here in this example, I have sales quantity information of different products sold in different months. Column B has the per unit price information. In cell range C14 to N14, I need to calculate the sales values. For this, I have to multiply every single price with corresponding quantity and add the result of all multiplications. This will be done by a function in Excel. That is the sum product function. Let's start. Click on this C14 cell. Press equals, type sum product, then open parentheses. In array 1 parameter, select the price range. Lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Because, when we copy this formula for other months, this range should remain constant. Now type comma. In the array 2 parameter, select the quantity sold range for January month. Close a parentheses. Press enter. Now, the sales value for January is calculated. Drag the same formula till December by using fill handle. So, this is how we calculate sales value from price and quantity range in Excel. If you want to practice this, download the sample workbook file from the video description below. See you in next video tutorial.